Okay, so I'm going to show you how to start Mom's machine. This is a Super Sport Indy 488. This is a great machine. I love this machine. And like the other one, it's got a valve in here for the fuel. It's off right here. Again, always make sure it's turned off when you're done using it so fuel can't gather in here. Turn that on. This starts a whole lot easier than the Summit does. Here's your kill switch. That's got to be up. Don't forget, I've tried to start it with it down. It doesn't work. This one has a key. It just has to be turned on. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't have a battery. This is your choke for this one, so it's much different. Typically, this one starts a lot easier. It may take a few pulls. I don't know. Again, it seems like it's just not doing anything. But it takes a little while for the gas to get in there since you had it shut off. Let that run a little bit before you shut the choke off. And you can stop it either with the key or the kill switch. Either one will do it. And then make sure and shut the gas off. So that's how to start those snowmobiles. Good luck. Okay.